Yeah, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Wherever you are, wherever you're watching, I'm Gideon, and welcome to my channel, Seco Vlogs. And today, I'm in Kericho County. Yeah, so I'm in a tea plantation. This is where we produce tea we export to the world. So actually, um, Kericho County has 500,000 acres of land under tea plantation. So but the one I'm in right now, this is Unilever Limited. So this one, Unilever Limited, or the tea plantation under government, that is the county government of Kericho. It is 130,000 acres, and so roughly, I'm not sure, but that is the rough estimate. So now I want to show you how we pluck tea in Kericho County. So when you need a quality tea, we want to pluck these two leaves and one shoot. That is the quality tea. But if you harvest like this is has three leaves and one shoot. Actually, it will be a problem for you because these people, they need quality. So if you take it to factories, actually, they will tell you to break it, to reduce it to two leaves and one shoot. Now that is the quality tea they need. And for your information, actually, Kenya is the biggest, the largest tea producing country in the world. So actually, we are leading in tea production. And I think Kericho County is the biggest because I saw the tea plantation is over 500,000 acres, and then followed by Nandi. Nandi is 300,000 acres. Maybe now, and then you go to um, I think Nyeri, yeah, and then you go now to other parts of Kenya. But Kericho is leading. So today I wanted to show you actually the tea plantation and the view. I mean, so you can see the view. Yeah, look at the view, guys. Yeah, this place is looking so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice. Actually, you see the trees behind me. You're wondering why there's trees in the middle of the plantation. Actually, these trees, when because tea actually they get old. So when they get old, they are uprooted, and then the trees are planted. So now these trees are used to, in the process of making tea. Yeah, they used to boil tea to make it, to turn it into black actually. So that is why we have the trees, because we need the firewood to burn the boiler. So right now I want to show you uh, this stone. This is a big stone actually. So if you see from the distance, let me zoom it away from the camera, and then you see how big it is. So this stone actually is so big. So I wanted to show you this place, around this place actually, and the view. And now check that, guys. Now this is where we come, we relax, and then we check the view of the tea plantation. So we can check now the view of the whole place. So zoom it. Actually, it's looking so nice. So this is the whole view now. I think the camera cannot see far, but for me now I can see up to closer. That is like, yeah, 100 kilometers away, or even more than 100 kilometers away. So I see the whole of Kericho County. So guys, it's a nice view actually. This is a nice place to be. Yeah, so I'm in Kericho County. This is Caps House village. That is in Brook town. So that is my village. So you've seen how this place looks like. Yeah, it's a beautiful view actually. So I usually come chill here because here there is a cool breeze. You get to see there are people also working in the tea plantation. Let me zoom and then you'll see, guys. Actually, you need, yeah, they are cleaning. So they're removing the weeds from the tea plantation. So you can see them. Actually, if you see, there are things which are on top of the tea plantation. So those are weeds. So they need to be removed so that they will come and put some fertilizers so that the tea will grow well. Yeah, so that is it, guys. So tea actually is has some a lot of, not much work actually, but you need to take care of them just like any other tree. But this one actually it's a cash crop, so which means your life depends on it if you live in Kericho County. So you need to take care of it because that is like your life. That is your life actually. Yeah, so that is it. So actually I'm enjoying the breeze. They say when you're in Africa, you're at home. Yeah, so if you're from outside Africa, you need to come to Africa and enjoy Africa. Enjoy the breeze. Yeah, here we have fresh air. Yeah, this is the life actually. You'll admire living. Yeah, if you love nature actually. Yeah, so that is it, guys. So now you can see the ground from where I am. It's like more than 10 meters high. Yeah, so nice. So welcome to Kericho County.